Now, your fourth chapter about laughter, one pill for many ills. So, this chapter from your moral science book. So, today we will see what is the importance of the laughter in our life because laughter is the best medicine. So, we always we keep a smile because it gives the positive way to us. So, let's start our this chapter. Your next chapter, chapter 4 from course moral science book. Chapter 4 Laughter, one pill for many ills. A day without laughter is a day wasted, Charlie Chaplin said. Laughter is the best medicine. It is the psychological response to humor and might just be the most contagious of all human emotions. It draws people together in ways that trigger healthy physical and emotional changes in the body. Laughter is mainly about relationship. Laughing together can greatly improve cooperation and empathy between people of different culture backgrounds. It fosters better communication, which lead to a less. So laughter is the best medicine. It is psychological response. Means you should be always be laugh because laughing make to us fit and fine, and it resolve all our problems and keep us healthy, and we forget all the problems, and we control our anger also, and we never fight to others once because laughing makes us happy and spread the happiness also. So always be keeping smile on your face. As Charlie Chaplin said, a day without laughter is a day wasted. So it's true. If you not laughed in a single day, so really you waste your day. Okay. So always be keep a smile on your face and make our day and others' day also good and fresh. So laughter is mainly about a relationship. Laughing together can great improve cooperation and sympathy between people of different culture backgrounds. It foster better communication, which lead, leads to a less consultations approach in tense situation and a change from individually competitiveness to team cooperation. Okay, so we always be keep smiling because make our relationship good and healthy and improve our cooperation. Okay, and make to us in different backgrounds, but it is helpful to us when you communication and you fight, you argument. So it's not approach the tense situation, it's changing individually and change your team and cooperation also. Physically fitness stemming from laughter is a benefit known to few. When you laugh, all your body system are affected in a positive manner. So for physical fitness also, it's help to us whenever we laugh. So many diseases are resolved, and and when you laugh, all your body system also affected in a positive manners. Laugh when you laughing, so positive energy also come. Laughter help to us boost the self confidence and encourage a great network of healthy. Okay, relationship, it encourages team building and eliminates feelings of uh, agriness, jealousy, and hatred. Laughter has the ability to reduce stress symptoms and provide a whole feeling of wellness. So, laughter has many healthy benefits. You can see here, this the benefits. Okay, first, provide pain relief. Okay, raise depression and stress, boost immunity, burn calories, help in all over body functionality, improve creativity and mental alertness, help sleep well, energize the body. So these the point which is when we always be laughing, and you can see the symbols in your life and your health. With so much power of heal and renew, the ability to laugh easy and frequently is a tremendous source of the surmounting problems, enhancing your relationship, and supporting both physical and emotional health. Best of all, and priceless medicine fun, free, and easy to use. Laughter make you feel good, and the good feeling that you get when you laugh remains with you even after the laughter subsides. Humor help you keep positive, optimistic outlook through the difficult situation, disappointments, and loss. Some people think laughter is a waste of time. It is luxury. They say something to engage to our. So laughter makes you feel good. Okay, laugh remains with you after the laughter subsides. Some people think laughter is a waste of time, and it luxury. They say something indulge only every so often. Nothing could be further from the truth. Laughter is essential to our equilibrium, to our well-being, to our aliveness. If we are not well, laughter help us get well. If we are well, laughter help us stay that way. And more than just a fight from sadness, pain, laughter give you courage and strength to find new sources of meaning and hope. Even in the most difficult of times, a laugh or even simple a smile can go a long way towards making you feel better. And laughter really is contagious. Just sharing laughter from primes your brain and reduces you to smile and join the fun. Laughter is a happy sound. It is something we can also share and understand whatever laugh we speak or place we come from. Laughter is really important part of our lives. People take things too seriously and naturally remain tense. They are being big things and small things, important items and trivial things. Often you mistakenly treat them on a par as if they are equally important. That is a tragedy. They all like keep you under stress and strain. Laughter make you see the lighter side of the things, and that which you must take seriously. Laughter make you see things in proper perspective. Even forced laughter drains strain away. Learn to relax and be less tense. Know what to take seriously and what to take lightly. Learn this discussion is worth it. Laugh, quite full, not half. Make be a joke or something daft. Open your mouth, don't mind the draft. Laugh, you are better by half. So this chapter only for the happiness when laughter uh, because laughter is very important in our life when you be happy and always laughing, so many stress and so many problems are solved. So in this chapter we have learned all this only things that we always keep a smile on our face, because when you keep a smile on our face, so you give the positivity to other also. Some people think in laughter is a waste of time, it is a luxury. Let's say something to english only even every of fun. Okay, but that is not true. This is very biggest treasure for in our life. Whatever the things we have, if you're not happy, so it's totally waste. Okay, so you always be keep smiling and we keep our health also very healthy and give positivity in our life, and we always be positive and keep ourselves happy. Not only ourselves, from other one also we keep happy. So in this chapter we learn, don't waste your time, always be keep a smile, because if you not smile, so you waste your one day. So always be keep smile and be positive, because the great energy in our life, and we keep ourselves happy and our life happy, not only our for other also. So this is the words meaning. You just see it in this fill-ups. And this fill-ups you completed at home. Answer the following question I will give you in class notes. So you check it there. Okay. Words meaning write down in your copy. I hope you clear the chapter and write all the things in your copy. I will check it and you learn it day by day. So till then, take care and have a nice day.